Hello everyone, this is Hamilton Joe. In this video, we are going to discuss about UGC CAR Journalist Group 2 fake journals. Before getting to the topic, if you have not subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe it and click the bell symbol so that you will get the latest updates. Now let us get into the topic. In India, UGC has made a regulation that every researcher as well as faculty members should publish their research article in UGC CAR listed journals so that they can claim for academic credits. According to that, every researcher as well as faculty members are looking for UGC CAR listed journals. Actually, what happens today, there are few journals they claim to be in UGC CAR list group 2. Actually, they are not in UGC CAR list group 2. So, in this video, we are going to see what is UGC regulation on UGC CAR journal list group 2 and how to identify whether the particular journal is exactly indexed or listed in UGC CAR list group 2 or not. So don't skip the video, watch it completely and get knowledge. Interestingly, many journals they are not actually in UGC CAR list, but they claim that they are in UGC CAR list group 2. For that, they also provide evidence in their journal website. So what are the evidence are given? The first one is YouTube video is given in the journal website. You might have watched that video also. So if you click that video, they are explaining in the video how to verify their particular journal is listed in UGC CAR list group 2 or not. So actually if you look into deeply, the YouTube video is incomplete. There is another one step is there which is not shown in the video. So we have to very careful and we have to verify it exactly whether the particular journal is in UGC CAR list group 2 or not. In addition to that, make the things easier, in their journal website itself they have given the username and password to search or to log in into UGC CAR list website and search whether the journal is in UGC CAR list group 2 or not. Finally, the another proof is PDF proof is given in the journal website. So we need to think from where this PDF proof is downloaded. Is the PDF proof available in the UGC CAR list website? Absolutely not. I think the PDF is downloaded from the Scopus source list, the entire list, the discontinued list, inactive list, active journal list, all the details are available in the PDF. So don't confuse about that particular PDF. So in this video, we are going to see what is UGC regulation on UGC CAR list group 2. Whether those journals are exactly indexed or listed in UGC CAR list group 2 or not. So watch the video and get updated. So just open Google Chrome and type UGC CAR journal list. See here you can find the first link UGC approved list of journals. So this is the official website of UGC. Just open it. And here you will find another link. If you click this link, it will redirect you to the official UGC CAR journal list website. So after reaching this, you have to log in. Just click login. So after logging, you have to give your user ID and password. Just I am giving mine. So after entering user ID and password, just login. Yeah, see here. So this is the UGC CAR journal list website. In this video, I am going to discuss about UGC CAR journal list group 2, especially Scopus journals. If you wish to know the entire things about UGC CAR journal list, especially about group 1, group 2 and a list of cloned journals and what are the journals are added, what are the journals are removed. So already I have published a video on 1st July 2020 about UGC CAR list. The complete details are available. So I'll give the link in the description. If you wish to know, you can click the link and you can watch it. Now we will see UGC CAR list group 2. So just click UGC CAR list, search UGC CAR list. See here. See here you can find UGC CAR list group 2. Here we are going to see about Scopus. So UGC has mentioned very clearly that Scopus indexed channels will come under UGC CARE list group 2. Among the Scopus indexed channels, UGC has removed 77 channels from UGC CARE list group 2. If you wish to know the removed channels, if you just click this link, you can view it. Now it is not important for us. Now we will be dealing with Scopus source list. So what is UGC regulation on UGC CARE list group 2? Kindly keep it in your mind very well. The journals which are indexed in Web of Science, especially in these three category databases, as well as Scopus database, as well as MLA, the list of journals are available here. These journals alone will come under UGC CARE list group 2. And another important thing is also given in the UGC CARE list website. Just scroll down. Kindly read this twice or thrice. It is given very clearly. See here, I read it. The journals which are discontinued, inactive from above databases will not find a place in group 2 of UGC CARE list. So what does it mean? That means if a journal, that is if a Scopus indexed journal to be considered as a UGC CARE list group 2 journal, that means the journal should be indexed as well as active in Scopus database as of now. The journal should be active in Scopus database as of now. Even in this second, that journal should be active in Scopus. The journals which are removed from Scopus, the journals which are discontinued from Scopus, the journals which are inactive from Scopus will not find a place in UGC CARE list group 2. So kindly keep it in your mind very well. So it is very clearly given in the UGC CARE list website itself. You can very well find it here. The journals which are discontinued or inactive from above databases will not find a place in group 2 of UGC CARE list. See here. Now let us talk about that fake journals. So in the journal website they have given the PDF. So where is that PDF is available? Just to check in UGC CARE list, do you find any PDF here in UGC CARE list group 2? So do you find any PDF source? So nothing is available. So don't think about that PDF source. Now only thing is we should verify. Kindly note, every researcher or every faculty member should verify whether the particular journal is actively indexed in Scopus. That is, as present it is indexed in Scopus or not. Now I will search a journal. Let us see. So see here, now I am going to follow what are the details are given in the UTP video in the particular journal. I already told you in the journal website they have given a proof, that is UTP video, how to search whether the particular journal is in UGC CARE list group 2 or not. Just I am following the same thing. Just listen here. So just click Scopus source list. It will redirect you to Scopus website. Right. So after reaching Scopus website, just sources. Just click ISN. So here just enter the ISN of the journal that you wish to search. See here, you can search through title, publisher and ISN. At anything you can search. Now just find sources. Just click find sources. See here, you can find one result. Just come down. See here, you can find a journal name. This is what the UTP video ends in the journal website. In the journal website you will find an UTP video. The UTP video ends here. So I don't want to reveal any journal name, so I made it blur. The journal name is blur here because I don't want to reveal the journal name. So according to that journal website, the particular UTP video which is shown in the journal website, the UTP video ends here. So what is the next step? Now we have to verify whether the particular journal is actively indexed in Scopus or not. So just click the journal title. The journal name will be here. You just click it. See here, once again I don't want to reveal any details of the particular journal, so I have made it blur, but I'll explain you what will be available here. See here, the first one will be journal name. Next one, Scopus coverage ES. So from which year to which year it is given. See here the important thing, the third line, coverage discontinued in Scopus. Coverage discontinued in Scopus. That means the coverage of particular journal is discontinued from Scopus. The particular journal is actively not indexed in Scopus. That is removed from Scopus. That means what's the regulation? UGC, what's the UGC regulation? Just see here. The journals which are discontinued or inactive from the above databases will not find a place in UGC CARE list group 2. So according to this statement, the journal is discontinued from Scopus. It is not actively indexed in Scopus. That means this particular journal is not listed in UGC CARE list group 2. See here, this is the publisher name and this is the ISN number and this is the subject area. So I hope now you might have been very much clear about UGC CARE list group 2, especially Scopus indexed journals. The journals may claim or they may return in their website that their journal is indexed in UGC CARE list group 2. The evidence is also given in the journal website. But as a researcher, you are going to publish your research paper. So we should know how to verify whether the particular journal is actually indexed or listed in UGC CARE list group 2 or not. So in this video, I have explained you how to identify whether the particular journal is indexed in group 2 or not. I hope the video is clear to you. You all might have understood how to verify whether the particular journal is indexed in group 2 or not. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope this video will be useful to you. If you like this video and if the content is useful to you, kindly subscribe the channel and click the bell symbol, and similarly share the video with your friends and colleagues so that everyone will get updated. Very soon I will meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you very much for watching.